If your roof is leaking, stop this video and call a local roofing specialist right away. I recommend Apex Restoration and Roofing at 303-691-5035. If your roof is already leaking, they offer immediate leak prevention services to prevent further damage and fast repairs for all commercial roofing types. The best way to prevent leaks is to get your roof inspected regularly. Experts recommend at least 2 inspections per year, plus another after hail, tornadoes, or severe weather. Regular inspections and maintenance can more than double the lifespan of your commercial roof, while saving you money in the long run. Leak prevention doesn't have to be expensive, it just needs to be scheduled in advance. The best time to stop the leaks is before they start.